What's up everyone, Yodo Fam Adventures back with another video. I recently got the inspired Overland clamshell soft shell tent, and one thing that I wasn't too fond about was the way the Rainfly deployed. So I came up with an idea to modify it, and I just wanted to show everyone because I know this is something that a lot of people have been trying to address. I will show you what I did, and I will also link everything that I bought for this in the description below. All right, so I started off by buying a riv nut kit on Amazon. I used the 1/4 inch by 20 riv nuts, and then I used the hardware that comes on the Sherpa racks. I had extra hardware, so what I did was ordered Overland Vehicle Systems has their parts for sale on their website, and I believe they're like $8 or something like that shipped, and you can use discount codes and stuff like that. But I bought two of these. It comes in a package. It actually comes with hardware, but I didn't use their hardware. I used the old awning hole. Sorry, I wasn't filming correctly. So I used the old awning hole. I drilled it out with a 3/8 drill bit. I don't know if you can see that 3/8 drill bit. And then I set this here and I aligned the second hole perfectly, drilled them both out, used the riv nut kit, and then I mounted the brackets in here. And this is how the awning looks now, or the Rainfly looks now. This strap is kind of weighing down the middle a little bit. I normally toss that over the tent, but I just deployed it real quick just to show y'all how it looks. And it kind of bows the poles out a little bit more and stretches it out a little bit more. I honestly love it. I've been wanting a riv nut kit anyways, so I ordered that for like $30 on Amazon. And then the awning little pole holder things on Overland Vehicle Systems were like $8. So well worth the small modification. It makes a big difference rather than it sagging in the middle. If you watch my most recent video, you'll see that it was sagging in the middle quite a bit, and it just drove me nuts. Aesthetically, it just doesn't look good. So now functionality wise, rain can still run off the middle and it's bowed out more. You have more coverage. So if y'all have any questions about it, let me know. I'll put everything in the description. Hopefully everything is still in stock whenever this video is put out. I should post it here in the next day or two. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if y'all have any questions.